Jess, you liked my status. I'm happy you liked my status. So, I wanted to tell you about my cousin because she loves Victor Rush and Selena Gomez. So, I was like, you guys are perfect for being friends. See, I don't know why, she kind of reminds me of Selena. So, I'm making you this video with her because she likes Selena Gomez and Victor Rush. And your favorite's Carlos?
Yeah.
Her favorite's Carlos. What's your order?
Carlos, Kendall, Logan, and James.
Carlos, Kendall, Logan, and James. She put James last!
Like, I like Logan and James equally, like Carlos and Kendall.
You know what I think? You know what I think, Jess? I think we should go to a Big Time Rush concert. Me, you, Kristen, I don't know how. She always gets into one of my videos. She probably has to like my status. But she's at a concert. So you know what? I'm going to make her a video because she can't like my status. So, I wanted to make you a video and tell you how you're nice. And you know, that fight that we had, that was kind of ridiculous. But I was getting kind of mad because you called Carlos. Well, it kind of felt like you said Carlos was gay, but you didn't exactly say that. It wasn't you because someone hacked your account. So, you know, it wasn't like really put together. You know what I'm saying? Yes. So, you and James. Yeah. Jessica Maslow. It's definitely you. That fits as your last name. And yeah. So I want to say I love you. You're nice. You're there for me now after a whole ridiculous fight. Yeah. Oh, I want to ask you. Can you like send me a screen capture of when you're on the music video or something? Sorry, there's a lot going on around in the house, but so you're gonna hear a lot of background noises. I want to see a screen capture of you in the video. I think that's pretty cool. So I want you to help me. Wait, I mean not help me. Yeah, I want you to send me a picture. Sorry, that's my autistic brother. Yeah. So comment or something. We need to go to a concert together, definitely. I'm going to the one. I don't know where you live, really, but I'm going to the one in Allentown. I don't know how to pronounce it. In Pennsylvania, and Kristen says she wants to go, so she's getting tickets.
It's not plugged in because
okay.
someone's over there.
You always get in. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.